Sige, so let's start with this aside. So it's not really about the chi-square na, but let's have this kumbaga aside topic. So to understand our succeeding lesson for the inferential statistics, so we need to define the following terms. So these terms are very important. We have the first one, the independent variables. The independent variables are the variables that the researcher is going to manipulate, so or manipulated by the researchers. And this refer to different groups. So if you are studying, say, commitment of people, so independent variables here are the groups of people. So if you are studying plants and you group those plants, so your independent variables are the groups. And it could also be time or occasions the data is collected. So later on, we can see what this time or occasions are. Now, ang groups, I think it's easy to digest, but time and occasion, so probably for now, you are still confused about this. No? And the independent variables are nominal variables. We also have this term, levels of independent variables. Example, the independent variable sex has two levels, such as male and female. So the levels are also known as the subgroup. Sex is a nominal variable, so it's independent. And then the name of the variable is sex, and it has two levels. And another important term is dependent variable or variables. So this refer to the variable you measured. Okay, let's have this exercise. In this exercise, I will be presenting research questions or scenario. In that research question or scenario, you identify how many. Determining how many is very important. How many independent variables, and then state what is that independent variable or the IV. How many levels of independent variables. Then what type of variable is the IV? Is it categorical or continuous? How many dependent variables or DV? What type of variable is the DV? Categorical or continuous? Okay, are you ready? So just a simple exercise. This is a research question. Know how many IV, how many levels, what type, how many DV, and what type of DV. For research question number 1, how many IV, what is it? For the IV, so gender here is a variable, pero dili siya IV. So again, gender is a variable. It has two levels, male and female, but it's not IV. So these are our definition. Independent variables are the variables that the researcher manipulated. Usually scale, pero ang dependent, but sometimes na ay mga dependent variable nga dili siya scale, no? Categorical. Sige, na ay mga case that it is categorical here. Please take note. So categorical. So it could be scale or categorical. Gender is the variable or sex. Ang male o female dili na variable. Take note of that. So, katong data nga atong i-encode, dili to variable, no? We call them levels or category. Anong kani, nominal or categorical. By the way, dependent variable is the variable that you measured. Katong atong gipangutana. So, going back to our research question, is there a difference in the proportion? So, ang atong gipangutana, proportion of male and female. So, mao ni ato ang dependent variable, gender. So, again, we ask the proportion of male and female. So that's the variable that we want to measure. So kay kana man ato ang gustong i-measure, then this is our DV. And then the other variable is the department. And department has two levels, production and finance. So again, DV is gender, department is the IV with two levels. Sige, number 2 na ta. So starting with how many, what type, the IV is the group. It has two levels, experimental and control. Group is categorical. DV is post-test, and it is a scale or continuous. Okay. About this.
Okay, so for the independent variable is time point of the test.
Okay, good. That's correct.
Which is categorical, ma'am.
Correct. How many levels? Okay, 2 levels. So what are those levels?
The before and after, ma'am.
Okay, correct.
The dependent variable is the student's test scores.
Okay, or knowledge or skills, which is measured in using test. Ano mo niyang pasabot? Sige, so gamay na lang. Kay kung makasabot na ta ng how many, then murag sayon na pud sabto no ang ato ang when to use that particular statistical test. Okay, about this.
The IV, ma'am, for this research question kay ang group assignment, ma'am.
Okay,
Nga three
correct.
ka level, si
Three
experimental
levels.
1, 2, ug si control.
Okay, correct.
And the DV, ma'am, is the post-test course.
Okay,
Then,
so,
IV is categorical. Then, DV is continuous.
okay, correct. So, this is the last one. Test yourself. Okay, mo nang dependent variable is the job commitment. So, simply job commitment. Dili itong the effect of ana-ana. That's the study. But if you are asked about variables, it's simply job commitment. That's the dependent variable. If you are asked the independent variable, that's the time point. No, time or occasions. So, mura gid nato ang IV. So, the
Same.
time has 3 levels. Before, change program, 6 months after, 6 months after, and then 12 months after. Because, kulangan og T, sorry for that, chi-square test, when to use it, it is used if you are going to compare one categorical independent variable on the one categorical dependent variable. So, mo nang, I have here 1, and this is also 1. Mo nang gusto na ko ma-determine ninyo kung how many variables are in the research questions or in the scenario. So, 1 categorical independent variable. So, mo nang gusto po na ko nga ma-recall kung unsa na nga type of variable. So, categorical ba or continuous. And 1 categorical dependent variable. And before or during statistical analysis, the 2 variables are cast in contingency table. So, I hope you still remember what a contingency table is. So, I have here a research question. So, mo naman ning ako ang gipakita ganina. So, does the proportion of men and women differ across production and finance? So, the DV is the gender, the IV is the department. So, production and finance is department. Men and women are gender. So, we have only 1 independent variable. Duha imong makitaan din ha, but you try to kanang digest no kung unsa man ang imong nakita din ha sa research question or scenario. Can they be under 1 variable or variable na gid na siya? Like production, variable na ba gid ni si production or it's just a level? Ang finance, variable na ba gid ni or it's just a level? So level lang ni si production, level lang ni si finance, and they are under the variable department. This research question is appropriate to be answered by chi-square. So again, chi-square will be used if we have 1 categorical independent variable and 1 categorical dependent variable. And our research question is about asking difference in proportion. So kanino? Difference in proportion. So use chi-square. And then before we are going to run the chi-square analysis, we need to cast our data in contingency table. So this is the contingency table. The dependent variable is in the row, so morning level, and the dependent malibog ko aning IVDV, no? And in the IV is in the column. So morning frequency, there are 25 men in the production and 75 women in the production, which is 25%. So that's the contingency table. And then after casting the data in the contingency table, you look at these assumptions and requirements of chi-square test. Assumptions, dili na siya pasabot nga atong i-assume. Assumptions meaning these are the condition that our data must satisfy so that we can use a particular statistical tool. So kaning chi-square test, pwede na to magamit if katong previous nga na-mention, no? 1 categorical independent variable and 1 categorical dependent variable. And then your research question or your objective is to look at if there are difference in proportion. And in addition, no cells in the analysis should have expected frequencies of less than 5. So dapat cell. So cell, pasabot ani kanino dire, muna siya ang cell. Dapat no cell have a frequency of less than 5. So muna iyahang assumption. And then no satisfactory basis for deciding which of these various convention to follow. Kay ang first bullet is often cited, pero wala manggid naman po yung mga researcher, or we can still see published articles nga nagamit og chi-square, din na po sila less than 5. And then all we need to do to mediate this another controversy is to follow the recommended sample size. And this is the sample size. So atong buhaton ani is kaning medium effect size ang i-adapt ng sample size. So this sample size was computed for the chi-square test assuming that the power, so naka-discuss na tayo statistical power, 0.80 or 80%, and the significance level is 0.05. So what does it mean? So total sample size required for a particular contingency table. If 2 by 2 atong table, we need 90 sample size. So what's 2 by 2? Like our previous example, ang dependent variable has 2 levels, male and female. The independent variables has also 2 levels, production and finance. So that is 2 by 2. If it is 2 by 3, 110 ang required or ideal. If it is 2 by 4, it's 120. So that's the ideal sample size. So this is again a 2 by 2. So 2 diri, 2 levels din hi, our DV, and 2 levels po atong IV. And then, example. The research question states that, maura mangyapon nga research question. Is there a difference in the proportion of males and female across 2 organizational departments, production and finance? So the gender code, 1 for male and 2 for females. Department code, 1 for production and 2 for finance. So this is the tabulated score. So ang inyong buhaton today is to encode this one in the SPSS. So let's try to run chi-square today. You may start now. Ayaw na lang na ninyo i-appeal ang case. Kanang case, makita ni nato dito no katong number na sa left side sa SPSS. Akong gustong tanawon sa is ang katong pag-encode. I want to see the variable view. Okay, gender, nominal. Okay, correct. Sige. So, do you have the same variable view kay Ma'am Jennifer? Palit ka sa variable view. So, thank you, Ma'am Jen. And next is to run the chi-square. So, click on Analyze. These are the steps. The descriptive statistics and the cross tab. So, naka-highlight, no? Ang independent variable, butang sa columns. And then the dependent variable. Sige, you can check the PDF file. So, kanilang sa ato ang buhaton. So, the cross tab is para ni sa ato ang contingency table. Sige, are you done with this page? Sige, kani nga page. Let's continue. So, after okay, the SPSS will give you an output. So, this is the output. You can see cross tabs. Makita ninyo no ang cross tabs. And this cross tab, nakabutang diri gender, intersection, department. So then, case processing summary, maura gyapon tong just like yesterday, you have the valid, missing, and total. So far, wala tayong missing case. So, meaning okay ra ang pag-encode sa data. And this is the cross tabulation. In the cross tabulation, you can see the contingency table, the number of cases in each cell, and the proportion of cases. So male count is 5 and then the percentage within department. So department, so yung aning itsura no, sa ato ang cross tabulation. This is the contingency table. Then the chi-square test. Makita po na to ang result of the chi-square test. So in the chi-square test, there are many statistics that you can see. You can see in the first column, we have the person chi-square. We have the continuity correction, the likelihood ratio, Fisher's exact test. Kasi maka-encounter mo ani nila nga mga statistical tool. We have linear by linear association. Then, of course, we have the N or number of valid cases. So, computed only for a 2 by 2 table. Ay 2 by 2 raman to atong contingency table. And we have 3 cells, 75% have expected count less than 5. So, naadi ay. Check na to balik. O, na daw siya 3 cells nga less than 5. So, naay duha ka 4. Okay, ang 5 is considered, iyang gi-appeal no, nga dili siya ideal. So, naman na siya i-note din he. Expected count less than 5. Although, natay ang anak nga condition, but still, si chi-square test, iya gyapon gi-run. So we will choose this chi-square person chi-square result. Parehas ra ni sila og like measures of central tendency, mean median mode, pareha ra siya gustong i-describe. So kanipod sila tanan, parehas ra po ni sila gusto i-describe. But by convention, ang usual nga ginagamit is the person chi-square. So there are so many values that you can see. The chi-square value is kanino naka-point siya, degrees of freedom, and this is the asep-sig two-sided. Meaning to say, mauni ang probability value. In the lesson 2, we have a part there which is about hypothesis testing, where we are going to decide based on the p-value. Compare the p-value to our alpha. So atong alpha ni was set as 0.05 significance level. So the 0.391 is the probability of obtaining a difference in the proportions of male and female across the two departments as large as the one found here if the null hypothesis is true. So only if this figure is less than 0.05, we can say that the result is statistically significant. So muna tong decision, reject the null if less than 0.05. Okay? But this case, it's not significant. So fail to reject the null hypothesis. So this is the p-value. Kaning tulo, ka-value nga naka-point, morning importante nga number atong tan-awon because these are the numbers that we are going to report to answer the research question. So atong research question, is there a significant difference in the proportion of male and female across department? So kanidayon siya ang motubag sa research question. So unsa may tubag? So again, kanang sig is our p-value. So what is the answer to our research question then? So again, mauni ang motubag.
The answer for the research question po, ma'am, is there is no significant difference in the proportion of male and female employees in the two organizations,
Okay,
regional departments.
that's correct. So thank you, Sir Henry. But syempre, in research, dili man isa lang ka sentence ato ang tubag, no? So we are going to write the result formally. So we are going to have a report of the result of the chi-square test to answer the research question. So all you need to do is to copy the gender department cross-tabulation table and paste in Word document. Then just explain what you see in the table. Then add the result of the chi-square test. So you need to report katong tulo ka number that I mentioned, include the degrees of freedom, the sample size, the chi-square value, and the p-value. So kanang upat dapat naa. So how will it looks like? So this is the cross-tabulation. So gender and department cross-tabulation. So that's the title. So just copy and paste and then edit the lines because in the APA format, wala tay vertical line. So all you need to do is to remove the vertical lines. And then, muna kong dimension before, na ang straight line nga horizontal, tulo lang kabuok. Then you can add another horizontal line, pero dili sila full length. And then just describe what you see for the descriptive, no? So here we have 56% of employees. So nganong ang gi-report nako here is the percentage, nganong dili frequency. Remember, our question is about proportion. So proportion is expressed in percentage. So ang percentage gid ang ato ang i-report. So 56% of the employee working in the production are male. Only 36% of those working in finance are male. So production and finance. Duha ra man na sila kabuok, male o female, production o finance. Dili na gid siya necessary nga. In the production, almost 56% are male, while 44% are female. Kay automatic na nga ma-compute nimo kay duha ra man na sila ka group. Kaya kung 56 ang isa, di 44 gitong isa. Kung 36 ang isa, 64 po ang isa, no? However, the difference, kay we ask about the difference for the inferential. So the difference between the proportion of men and of women in the finance and production department is not statistically significant. So mao na ning gitubag ni Sir Henry ganina. Not statistically significant. Then this is the chi-square. So 1n equals 20 equals 0.74. Then p equals 0.39. So asa man ni sila gikan nga mga value. 1 is the degrees of freedom. instead nga n equals 20, pwede ra gid ni wala na ni ang n equals 20 because kanang 20 mo man na ang n. So pwede nato siya ma-write chi-square open close parenthesis 1, 20. So this is the degrees of freedom and the n equals 0.74 which is the chi-square value and 0.39 is the p-value. Okay? So nakuha ba kung asa ni gikan ng mga numbers? So ang pinaka-importante is kaning ma-determine nato kung statistically significant ba or not, then ma-report ang chi-square result. That's 0.39 ra gyud ha. If you are going to round this off, 0.39 ra gyud ni. And this is 0.74. N is 20. So pag mag-report ta ani, mo ning chi-square, i-open nato ng 1, 20. And then equals kanida yon 0.74. Then the p-value is 0.39. So ano chi-square? Sometimes naay symbol si chi-square na ani. So this is the report. Wala na table. Ang table is only the cross tabulation. By the way, kinsa may techie sa inyo nga kabalo na mag-edit sa table, kung mag-copy paste ta og table.
Ay, Doc?
Yes, sige.
Kanang, ako lang, ikuan to katong about katong example kanina, Doc. Siya, Doc, reject the null hypothesis, man to, Doc. No?
Ano? Dili reject the null. I-reject ba da mo ang null ani?
Ay.
Diba ang atong gayong tubag ani kay not statistically significant, no difference.
So, accept.
Yes, Doc. Accept.
Correct.
I accept siya, Doc, kay na failed man ta to reject the null hypothesis.
Correct. Correct. Sige, again, kinsay teki diha nga pwede mag-share unsaon pag-edit sa table from the SPSS. Sige, you can copy, you can export. Pwede ma-export, pwede ma-copy. You are going to show to us unsaon mag-export, then unsaon mag-edit.
Sige, ma'am. So, kuan lang, ma'am. Ako ang gibuhat kay daraan na siya export na murag button something. And then, i-click lang na ako siya. Then, makapili ka dari unsa na format sa document imong gusto. So, para editable siya, katato ang Word. And then, okay, maka-browse po ka kung asa nimo siya i-save. And then, okay. Tapos, na-download mo na ako. So, ma-download na siya. And then, tapos, inig ma-download na, ma'am, kay dara siya, makita na siya. And then, pwede na siya i-edit. Dara na ang downloaded, ma'am.
Pero daghan kay ang downloaded, no? Daghan kay ang downloaded.
Yes, ma'am. Kuan dito tanan, ma'am, katong imuha gong gipang analyze, mabutang siya tanan, ma'am.
So sakit kay sa mata. Lapad imong ulo kung unsa imong kuhaon. I believe you can select only the table that you want to export. Sige, balik ka dito sa imong SPSS output. Kay sa SPSS man daghan ka siya ihatag, but not everything in there imong kailangan. Sige, balik ta, Ma'am Blaya, SPSS nimo output.
Here. Okay.
So, ang atong kuhaon ani is the cross tabulation. Correct?
Cross.
Sige, i-click ng gender department cross tab daw. Diri sa left side. Right click.
Right click.
So, kita man siguro kag-export. Okay, export.
Yes, ma'am.
Sige. And then,
Sige ako.
output daw siya balik.
Sige, ma'am.
Sige, kana.
And then, balik ko sa, wait lang, ma'am, ha? Ako sa
downloads.
Wait lang, ma'am. Downloads. Dara, ma'am. Makuha siya nga siya lang.
Okay, so siya lang, di ba? So, kung sa imong kailangan, katura po mong i-export. So, to edit, sige, pangtanggalan na ang mga vertical line.
Kanira magkuhaon, ma'am, ng mga vertical.
Oo, pwede ra gid to siya, ma'am, nga katong imong inan.
Pwede ra to.
Tapos ay haday nimo butangan og line, balik. Horizontal na lang. Okay, dayon. Ayun na nag-apila ang gender cross tabulation kay that's the title.
Ay! Ano ba, ma'am? Tama ba?
Correct. Pero, asa man to ang full length nga horizontal line? So basta no, it's just like that. You edit the table using the borders. So dili tong magbutang og line. Kay daghan kong gaka-notice nga ngano kung mag-edit ko kay maguba ilang file. So that's how to export and edit the table. Okay, thank you, Ma'am Blaya.
Sige ma'am, welcome po.
Okay, let's continue. So, naana ta report, which looks like this. And then that's the end of chi-square.